Conversation, getting to know each other. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Marani. And you?
I'm Bora. How are you, Marani?
I'm fine, thank. And you?
I'm fine too. Where are you from?
I'm from Takeo province. And you?
I'm from Ratanakiri province. How old are you?
I'm 18 years old. And you?
I'm 19 years old. Are you married?
No, I'm not. I'm single and you?
I'm single too. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I've one sister and no brother. And you?
I have two brothers and one sister. Where do you study?
I study accounting at Asia University. And you?
I study maths at Royal University of Phnom Penh. What do you want to be in your future? Why?
I want to be an accountant in my future because it's a good job. I like working with money and I like working in office. And you?
I want to be a teacher of maths because it's a good job. I want to teach students about maths. Why do you study English?
I study English because it's an international language. I can communicate with other people around the world and it's easy to find a good job.
Nice to talk with you. Bye.
Me too.
Conversation, everyday activities. Hi, Cheney. How are you today?
Hi, Bora. I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too. May I ask you some questions?
Why not?
What time do you get up?
I get up at 5 o'clock.
What do you do after you get up?
After I get up, I do some exercises, clean my house, cook breakfast and I have a shower.
What time do you have breakfast and go to school?
I have breakfast at 6:30 and I go to school at 7 o'clock.
What time do you leave school and have lunch?
I leave school at 11 o'clock and I have lunch at 11:30.
What do you have for lunch?
I have rice, fish soup and pork.
What do you do after lunch?
Actually, I relax for 30 minutes.
What time do you have dinner and go to bed?
I have dinner at 7 o'clock and I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
What do you do after school?
After school I do homework, read books, listen to music and watch TV.
What do you like doing in your free time?
In my free time I like playing sport, listening to music, watching TV and reading books.
Nice to talk with you, but it's time to go now. Bye and see you when you see me.
Me too. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.